Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Making Investments Simple, and today I would be reviewing the website moneycontrol.com. Many of you actually know this website, but most of you may not be using the complete features of this website, how to see or review a stock, etc. I would be just going through some basics on this website. As you can see, I'm actually reviewing the app. The web version is much more advanced and expanded version, but in the apps you can actually see different sections here, from markets, news, live TV. If you go to markets, Indian indices, you'll see the whole Indian markets view at this point of time, and then global indices. If you see, you will see you will see DAX, Nasdaq, FTSE, CSE, Nikkei, Hang Seng, Taiwan Index, all kinds of global markets, SGX, Nifty too, and see where they are heading right now. And the market movers, if you go through here, you will see that these are the top gainers, or these are the market movers of the current market. So right now the market is not live, but you can see how it performed today. So even in the live market you can actually see this data, and based on that you can take a decision about options, which options if you want to take, or from the top gainers or top losers. There are a lot of strategies available which you can actually use it based on these data. Earnings calendar, it will show you which companies are going to declare their dividends or results, etc., and how are their results. So during live market too, this data is extremely helpful. F&O action, if you go to this section, you will actually see where the F&Os are actually performing well. The volume on each F&O is performing well or not. So as you can see here, Hindustan Construction, the June contract is actually more active. As you can see, active by value. So these are the data which you should keep it in mind when you're doing live market trading. So that's how you choose a particular stock. Now, to choose a stock, for example NCC, just for an example, once you go to the stock here, there is some basic information about the market cap, EPS, price earnings ratio, book value, etc. And then you can actually see the future prices here. Then news and research about what are the recent news on this particular stock, forum, market depth, corporate action, and now, as I told you, the web version is much more clear. Maybe I will create another video to give you much more clear picture as to how to analyze the stock. But these are some basic information which you can easily check it from your mobile itself. And other than that, you can actually create a portfolio and set up your just SIP day. That means you can just put on all the details of your SIP whichever you have invested on it, and on the portfolio you can actually see it. So the portfolio is actually here, and you can actually easily see your portfolio. And so that's exactly Money Control works. The app has limited features, even though it has majority of the features, so that you can quickly see the market, where it is heading or where it is currently going. And but the web version has very good features about how markets are performing at this point of time, the latest news, etc. So you should actually go through the web version too whenever you get a chance to see during live trading hours. So hope you enjoyed this informative video about Money Control website. I will try to create more in-depth videos in future, but hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any feedback, feel free to write to me, and I'll be happy to take your feedback. Thank you, and I'll see you again on my next video.